Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for Sunday, April the 28th through until Tuesday the 30th of April 2013. Looking back to the highs and lows of Saturday then, many places in double figures, but on average it stayed below 10 degrees, 8.8 the average, the coolest day since April the 12th and the coolest day in England since April the 11th. Looking at the low temperatures, only one place falling below freezing, Glenogle in Scotland, with many places falling near freezing, the joint coldest night since April the 9th and the coldest night in Ireland since April the 6th. And coming into the next 3 days, the unsettled theme will resume with sunshine and showers, remaining cool, with temperatures probably not going to exceed 14 or 15 degrees over the next few days. And at the moment, there are no real low pressure systems over us, except for the northern parts of Scotland, where we'll see some low pressure coming in through on the April the 28th to the 29th, but generally we'll be seeing some high pressure, particularly towards the south of the country. Looking towards Sunday then, it's going to be unpleasant for many parts of the western part of England and Wales. We'll be seeing a lot of rain, but mixed in with some sunny intervals up in Scotland and Ireland we'll be seeing, but it'll still be very wet as well. Towards the southeast of England, that'll be the best of the weather. We'll be seeing mostly cloudy skies, and the temperature on Sunday will reach a high of 13 degrees in the southeast, and the Greater London area in particular will probably see the highest temperature. That's 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Looking overnight on Sunday, the rain will recede from most parts of England, if not all, except for a little pocket of the southeast. Maybe we'll be seeing some isolated light showers. But in Scotland, the rain continues in full force towards the northwest. In particular, we'll be seeing some heavier spells of rain. But elsewhere it will remain dry with some clear skies towards the northeast of England. But temperatures will be falling quite a bit, a low temperature of generally around 4 or 5 degrees in England, especially towards the north, with a low of 2 in the Scottish Highlands. Looking at Monday, the unsettled trend will certainly continue, at least in the northern part of the country. We'll be seeing lots of showers mixed in with some sunny intervals, so it's going to be very mixed as well, and remaining unsettled of course. The best of the weather towards the south of England and Wales and the southern part of Ireland as well. We'll be seeing some partly cloudy skies here, with a high temperature of around 12 or 13 degrees, this time quite widespread. High temperatures of 12 or 13 we'll be seeing from central parts of England towards the south. That's the high temperature there, 55 degrees Fahrenheit there. And coming into Monday night, there'll be clear skies in many areas, almost all areas, except for perhaps the northeastern coast of England, along the eastern coast of Scotland as well, where it will be partly cloudy at worst. Perhaps one or two areas where we will see a little bit more cloud towards the Humber estuary, but that's about it, with clear skies elsewhere, and that means lower temperatures as well overnight here, with low temperatures of around freezing in parts of Scotland. In parts of England and Wales and Ireland as well, we'll be seeing temperatures as low as 3 degrees Celsius, 37 Fahrenheit. Looking at Tuesday, a much better day all round, except for perhaps the northeastern part of England, where we'll be seeing a little bit of drizzle mixed in with the sunshine. But for most areas, it will be almost clear skies, or indeed clear skies for parts of northwestern England. But a decent day for most areas, with high temperatures of 13 degrees Celsius all round. Perhaps it'll be 1 or 2 degrees above that in the end, in the sunshine of course, though a high temperature of only 9 degrees in Scotland. Coming into Tuesday night, there will be clear skies again for many areas, but this time it's a sort of bit more of a split here, with more overcast skies towards Scotland, with a little bit of drizzle towards the northwestern part of Scotland. But clear skies for most of England, Wales and parts of Ireland overnight, but that means temperatures will drop again to around 2 or 3 degrees as a low temperature. That's 36 degrees Fahrenheit, but no lower than 5 across Ireland, and 6 degrees under the rain on Stornoway, up on the Isle of Lewis in the Outer Hebrides there. And that's the end of the forecast. Well, there we are, another ending. Completely unscripted, these scripts, by the way. They're not even scripts, are they? This is number 53 on the weather forecast, I think, and the website is force13.com. I'll be back in 2 days' time, Monday evening, covering the period Tuesday the 30th of April through until Thursday the 2nd of May 2013. But until then, I'll see you around. Goodbye.